Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a UPS account. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to jump into ups.com. You'll be redirected to this page over here. It just has your location, language, and the homepage extension. On the right hand side, it'll say log in. Go ahead and click on log in. You'll see that it gives you a menu. Now, if you already have an account, you shouldn't be watching this video. You're just going to go ahead and click on log in. But if you have not yet created an account, go ahead and click on sign up. Now, from this page, you'll have a few sign in options. First of all, you can use your email address to sign in directly. You can also use your Google account, which will be this Google account that you're currently having this tab open. If you have any accounts that are connected to this account, you'll have those as well as options. You can log in with a Facebook account, Amazon account, Apple account, as well as Twitter or X account. Whichever you choose, whichever is the best for you, choose that option. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Google sign up. You'll now be redirected to this page. So now you'll enter your first and last name, country, code for your cell phone number, enter your phone number, which is optional, your username, password, and you can see that there is an email address in there. You're going to go ahead and click on I agree and then click on sign up. Now, if you've used your Google account, your Facebook account, or any one of those other options, then this information will be auto-filled, which was what happened with mine, except for, of course, the password. You'll now go ahead and click on sign up. Right over here, you will click on business because we're looking to create a business account. And here you can go ahead and get your personalized discount or enroll your business for total visibility. Depending on which option is best for you, you can go ahead and choose which exactly it is that you would prefer. I'm going to go ahead with enroll your business for total visibility. So it's the UPS My Choice for businesses that let you manage all of your shipments, your returns, your claims, notifications, all through one single dashboard. So let's go ahead and click on continue. Over here, you will enter your business name, street address, apartment, city, state, zip code, confirm all of your contact information, click on continue. You'll then be redirected to services, what services your business offers, and then you will go ahead and set up the rest of your profile and confirm all of your details. Your application will be sent in. UPS will then send you an email to confirm that your account has been created, your business account has been created. I hope this was helpful.